The Pizza Bible by Tony Gemignani, 12-time World Pizza Champ. In the meantime, after I bought this book, he has won for the 13th time. Let's give it a look inside. Great quality photos, great quality paper, with loads of color photos. Now, this is the table of contents, and there is first the masterclass and then a section for each style of pizza Tony will teach. Respect the craft is Tony's motto, and in this page he briefly describes his philosophy. This is where the masterclass starts, and I like the methodic approach with a tidy list, both of the equipments. Later you will see a list of the ingredients, tools of the trade, when Tony gives his take about pizza stones or pizza steels, the peel you should use, etc. Masterclass shopping list. Okay, this is where Tony explains about the theory of pizza making and baker percentages. There are many pro tip sections here and there where Tony shares some tidbits you should pay attention to. Then a nice section on the ingredients with flour, water, yeast. Of course, they are the important protagonists. This is amazing, especially for people across the pond, because you know that Tony has Italian roots but is American, so he also describes a list of his favorite products in the US. This is where the actual practice starts. Is divided in 3 days from 0, basically, when you start with just the raw ingredients. Towards day 2 and day 3, where you end up with the dough ready to stretch and bake. And of course, tips about putting toppings and moving the dough inside the oven, etc., etc. This is nice, my 10 commandments of pizza. I will not spoil it because it's very nice. And this is the section with all the different kind of pizza Tony teaches about, starting from the regional American. But the interesting part he uses for all the pizzas you would read from now on, he uses basically a single recipe which he calls master dough. There is a version with starter and a version without starter. Here it is. Basically, depending on the style he is teaching, he recommends one kind of dough over the other. The first one is the New Yorker, and he also includes how to make the tomato sauce, how to make your own sausage, how to make your own ricotta, and there is a section with cocktails, for example, and so the book is pretty complete. Also note, every page has this little button, so to speak. I am in the California style section. If you look at the sides, you will see that they are easy to spot. So I know if I go here, for example, I am in the regional Italian section, in this case the Romana dough, so it's easier to understand where you are. At the end of the book, there is a beautiful index where, for example, you're looking for his own version of the barbecue sauce. Here it is, barbecue sauce, page 265. You just go and find it in the relevant page. The Pizza Bible by Tony Gemignani, great book, highly recommended. Buy it right now.